Hello everyone! This year is the year of the snake in the Chinese lunar calendar. So, let's make a paper folding snake together. The materials we need are as follows. Step 1. Take out the two pieces of paper and fold them in half 3 times. Step 2. Cut along the folded lines to make strips. Step 3. Start folding. Apply glue to the red strip. Attach the yellow strip on top. Then fold them back and forth. You can make it longer if you like. The snake's body is done. Step 4. Use different colored paper to draw the snake's face and tongue, then cut them out. Attach the tongue and eyes to the face. And now the snake's face is done. Final step. Cut out the snake's tail and attach it to the body. All done. How do you like this paper folding snake? I think you can make an even better one. Share us your snake in the comments.